Introducing the 16th Math Heuristics method. The branching method. Zoe had $320. She spent 1/4 of it on a panettone and 1/6 of the remainder on some cream puffs. How much money had she left? $320 at first. $1/4 was spent on a panettone. 1/4 times $320 equals $80. $80 was spent on a panettone. After spending on a panettone, 3/4 of her money remained. 3/4 times $320 equals $240. Or $320 minus $80 is also equal to $240. One-sixth of the remaining amount of $240. 1/6 times $240 equals $40. $40 was spent on cream puffs. Five-sixths of the remaining amount of $240. 5/6 times $240 equals $200. $200 was left. Or $240 minus $40 is also equal to $200. She had $200 left. Marcus spent 15% of his salary on a tablet. Thereafter, he spent 25% of his remaining salary on food and transport and saved the rest. If he saved $3,825, what was his salary? $15% of Marcus' salary was spent on a tablet. $85% of his salary remained, after spending on a tablet. 100% minus 15% equals 85%. $25% of the remaining 85%. 25% times 85% equals 21.25%. 21.25% was spent on food and transport. $75% of the remaining 85%. 75% times 85% equals 63.75%. 63.75% of his salary was saved. $63.75% of his salary equals $3,825. full amount of his salary is 100%. 100% equals $3,825 divided by 0.6375, which is $6,000. His salary was $6,000. Daniel bought some chicken pies with 20% of the money in his wallet. He also bought some curry puffs with 15% of the remaining amount. If he spent $12 more on the chicken pies than on the curry puffs, what was the amount of money in his wallet at first? $20% of Daniel's money was spent on chicken pies. $80% of his money remained, after spending on chicken pies. 100% minus 20% equals 80%. $15% of the remaining 80%. 15% times 80% equals 12%. 12% of his money was spent on curry puffs. $85% of the remaining 80%. 85% times 80% equals 68%. 68% of his money was left. $20% of his money was spent on chicken pies. 12% of his money was spent on curry puffs. 20% minus 12% equals 8%. The difference is 8%. $8% of his money equals $12. All his money, at first, which is 100% equals $12 divided by 0.08, which is $150. He had $150 at first. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.